You searched how to buy shares of Azz Inc., so here's a quick step-by-step guide. Azz Inc. operates in metal finishing and energy services and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AZZ. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an ID document, and you will need to add funds to place an order. Use the broker's search bar and type the ticker AZZ to find the listing. Choose the result that clearly shows Azz Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm this is Azz Inc. Check that the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker reads AZZ before proceeding. Click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the order is placed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform.